Hello guys, welcome back to my other video. Today we are discussing about Tea Talks Australia. Welcome to Tea Talks Australia. Tea Talks Australia is Australian health supplements company founded in 2013. A company was founded with a vision of bringing people of all parts of the world a healthier perspective on living. To date, we have helped over 52,000 customers from over 40 different countries reach their personal goals. We will do everything possible to help you achieve your desired goals through our amazing products. Free eating plans and dedicated staff who are here to assist you all day, every day. Our mission is that this company was created to bring people from all around the world quality product without the large price tag. Our product were not designed as a quick fix, shortcut weight loss results, but as a supplement to a longer, happier, and healthier life. From the very beginning, we have listened to our customers' precious feedback and took into consideration every single person's opinion. You asked for a lower price, we gave them to you. You asked for free shipping, we gave it to you. You asked for a free eating plan, and well, we gave it to you. Simply because a company aims to provide support to all of your customers in reaching their desired health goals. We are here for you. So use our service to your advantage. Now there are 28-day tea talks. 28-day supplies of your famous detox tea. 50-60 pack. Simply drink 2 tea bags per day, once in the morning and once in the evening, to see amazing results. All ingredients inside the 28-day detox are natural, organic, and made of the finest herb. Its price is $59 AUD. There are purchase options. One-time purchase, subscribe and save 5%, $56 0.5 AUD. So I hope you like my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share.